Hiya! In this video I will show you how to make a table using some items from Poundland. So this in total cost £5, but it makes a nice little side table and it's really simple to do. So I got one of these New York prints and 4 hanging basket brackets. Each item was £1 each. So these framed prints, the backing on it is pretty thick, so that's why it's actually sturdy enough to use on a table. So to start off with, I'm going to take out these middle latch thingies that are keeping the print in place. So I'm just taking the middle one out of each side, leaving the corner ones in place, which is really simple to do. Then I'm going to grab one of the brackets, place it at the center of, in the middle of like one edge, and I'm going to mark where the holes are because I'm going to use some nuts and bolts to attach this to the print. So I'm just going to mark that and then make a hole where I've marked it. Then I'm going to do it the same thing to each 4 sides. And this is how I'm going to attach these, which are going to be legs to the table. So I've taken the backing out now of the frame. I'm just going to use nuts and bolts to attach it, to attach the bracket to the backing of the print. The print's actually attached to the backing of it. I probably could have pulled it off if I tried a bit harder, but I didn't want to accidentally rip the print. So I've just gone straight through the print as well, because the bolts will be covered by the frame once I put it back on anyway. So it doesn't matter that it's ruined the print along that edge. So I'm basically going to make sure the nut and bolts are screwed really tightly because I don't want these legs to move. I want them to be nice and sturdy. This way you can see what I mean by actually went through the print's edge a bit. You can get other prints as well. They don't just have the New York ones, they actually have some plant ones as well for something different. Or you could actually decide to actually paste over it and maybe put your own design in, or a bit of wallpaper. So once you've done all 4 legs this exact same way, all you have to do then is to pop the frame back on and you're done. So I've just slid the frame back on like you would like a picture. Move those little hooks around to the side to latch on to keep it in place, and flip it over and you can use it. Like I say, because the back is actually quite thick, you can actually put quite a few things on here and it won't like sag or break. And you're done. That's it. So it makes a really nifty little side table. Only cost £5 altogether, and it was really quick to make as well. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!